Hello, hello, hello.
Welcome to Pakistan.
Thank you. Shukriya, shukriya. We got more picture taken here with more kids, so let me run over here.
Come right over here.
Hello from Pakistan. Our tour has begun. I've got a special guest here. Let's spin around. Hello.
Hello.
This is Christine Kaaloa. Her YouTube channel is called Grrrltraveler with a Grr. It's a really great channel. I'd recommend it. Now, like me, this is your first time in Pakistan, correct?
This is my very first time in Pakistan, so we're going to be exploring it together, stumbling together, and kind of learning about it.
All right, so yeah, today we got a lot of stuff planned. We're heading to Rawalpindi, which is kind of the old version of Pakistan. Islamabad is the new city. It's a planned city, so it's gonna be exciting to get out and see kind of the old Pakistan. So I'm really excited. Let's go. Okay, and here is our van. And we're gonna get in here. Got a pretty nice van. Here's the whole crew. And there's my seat. I'm gonna have my picture taken with this group of kids. Okay. And here we got some kids. Looks like they all want my YouTube channel, so they're gonna get some subscribers here. Hopefully. Thank you so much. We got more picture taken here with more kids, so let me run over here.
Come right over here.
Let's get this way. I'd like to introduce you to our tour guide. This is Anam here. Say hello.
Hi, hello everyone.
And she works with Mad Hatter's tour company, which is the tour company we're with. She's been really great. And what do we have planned for the rest of the day?
So we'll go to Rawalpindi for our food tour, and we will try some local cuisine, and we'll go to random food stalls at it's like a big food street, and we'll be going to every single shop and try small portions of different regional tastes. They're gonna be different sweets and then local snacks. So it's gonna be a lot of food testing today. So we are already very hungry by now, right?
Yes,
so
I'm very hungry, so I'm looking forward to see.
We're all looking forward to some lots of food. Yes, and it's gonna be so much fun. Right?
All right, let's go catch the bus.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's go. Bye.
Bye. Back on the bus. So we made it to Rawalpindi. You can see it's a lot more crazy and chaotic here than it was in Islamabad. We're gonna go around and have some lunch, have a little mini food tour, and see what adventures we can get up to. Super hot oil here. Stopped at our first place here. Let's see. So you can see they're making there, it's called a chapli kebabs. They cook like a beef patty in like super hot oil. You can feel the heat blazing off there. It's the already hot weather. So it smells really good. We'll see how it tastes.
So that's mint sauce. It's made with mint and yogurt.
So this is the chapli kebab. Looks really good.
Yeah.
The chapli kebab here. Let's give it a try.
And that's something called as pita bread, Pakistani pita bread, right?
Wow, really good. Really flavorful.
Worth it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. It's just, if you're lucky enough
can get the bone marrow here. Here to that, you just grab it, you can knock it out with your hand. Heading out to the next stop here. Very loud and chaotic.
These are vegetarian. ये भी है ना, ये green वाले दाल में?
हाँ, ये गोभी के और प्याज के बीच में बना
Yeah, okay. But no.
What is this called?
This is called pakoras.
And this is like a popular snack here
Okay.
in Pakistan.
What's this called again?
It's called pakora.
Pakora.
And we have it. This is like a very important thing when it comes to fasting, breaking your fast. In Ramadan, we have a lot of pakoras. So we love to, break our fast with these.
It's real hot to hold on to. Let's see if I
So
can
this is
James, you want some more?
this is like fried.
That's a little spice to this one. It's not too spicy, real flavorful. Like
I've seen some like
it's basically just deep fried dough. We have some vegetarians on our trip, so we got these for them. So we're at another restaurant. We're going to try some Haleem, which I had in Karachi, which was pretty good. Went to the famous place on Burns Road. We'll see how this stacks up. You can see a restaurant here. All right, I'm gonna have this, see how it compares to the Haleem in Karachi.
it's very fresh.
Yeah. Oh, wow. That's pretty good.
But
It's a little delayed cake.
yeah.
Does have this some peppers in there. It is a little spicy, pretty good.
H-A-L-E-E-M. It's Haleem.
Is it
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
is it like
So I'd say the Haleem was a success. Everyone liked it, at least all the meat eaters. There is a chicken in there, so not for the vegetarians, but very tasty. You can see the chilies being sliced there. Big load of really hot chilies. They got these little crispy onions they put in the Haleem. It's really tasty.
hello?
And made it out. Get a little crowded. Everyone's very friendly. We got a few curious stares, but nothing too major.
And it's like so there is inside killing kind of dish with peas.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's like it's something that tastes like
Ooh, that's hot. Oh, you can see it on the wall around there. Better watch, my camera's gonna get singed. Even hotter than
crispy croissant. Yeah.
see how they make bread. They say flatten it, stick it in the bottom of the thing, and then it cooks. And you gotta not get your head too close. That really is a hot oven. But let's see.
I can't wait.
Yes.
Can't wait to try that. Now he moves the cups. I'm like, oh. Very
You
hot.
can take a picture of all the chais together. Maybe. But I think put it there because this.
And cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Gross.
Actually, by cheering, because otherwise that won't be really cheering.
What's this called?
This is called Bakar Khani. Bakar Khani.
So you just dip it in.
Take a bite.
Yes.
So when you dip it inside the tea, it makes it a bit softer. So that's how you can easily. But don't dip it for too long, otherwise it's gonna spill in your tea.
Okay.
Yeah.
Almost sounds like a pretzel.
sweet. It's nice to have something a little sweet after that dry, crusty bread. Very tasty, kind of like a light biscuit, cookie, cracker combination. Really good.
All
the memories for you.
These nuts, yeah. I think it was the other end. Yeah, let's do
Yeah,
the
we don't
other
need
ones
to.
because that'll be like.
I'm wondering if this man
Bas theek hai, bas.
Ooh, there, wow,
I'll
careful.
just.
This is gulab jamun, one of my favorites. It's hot and fresh, which always makes it much better. Let's see how this is. Ooh. Very soaked in sugar, but not too sweet. Not bad. I think the ones I had in Karachi, if you watched my earlier video, were a little better, but these are pretty good, fresh, real hot. Wow. This one-
cup without the cheese.
Yeah. You like it?
It's like, it's a mild Cheeto cheese cup, like the cheese balls.
Because it's sweet. It's called laddu. Yeah.
Well, pretty amazing. We're just wandering around the streets, stopping at every place, getting something to eat. People are giving us lots of free samples. A lot of people are refusing to take our money. Everyone's been really friendly. Really an amazing place at this point. And ahead of me, you can see most of my tour group here walking in front of me, trying to avoid the traffic. Definitely get a lot of stairs, but everyone's very nice here.
You see? Not bad.
Hello, hello, hello.
Welcome to Pakistan.
Thank you. Shukriya, shukriya. See, everyone says hello and greets us, very friendly. Hello, hello. So someone invited us to come into their home. It's an old home that you can see here. Old Rawalpindi. Let's head inside.
This must have been owned by a Muslim Punjabi family or
Up.
these are very
USA.
streets, so you have to
Yeah.
be careful.
All right, we're heading upstairs. They've invited us upstairs. This old, beautiful old house. Oh wow. Ooh. Oh wow.
They actually have one house
You can see
that's
down
like,
into the
for the tourism.
where we just were.
I
All around. Beautiful old
feel like this
features.
chair is even from pre-partition.
Yeah.
Oh, kind of cool to have a little bonus adventure to see that house that was built before Pakistani independence in the 40s. So really cool. Still in pretty decent condition for how old it is. So you know, it was unexpected, but really cool to see that. Now we're gonna head back, try to find our van, and I think we're heading back to the hotel. We'll see.